Late one night, I was closing up at a construction site when I heard footsteps inside the dark building. Fast, silent, inhuman. I shined my flashlight, and two green, slitted eyes stared back at me. A tall reptiloid figure stepped out of the shadows, scales glowing under the light. It didn't move. It just watched me, like it was deciding something. Then a cold voice entered my mind. "You were not meant to see us." Before I could blink, it vanished completely. When I reached my truck, a metal plate slid off the windshield, a serpent carved around an eye,